here. It's finally here. Yes. For Carl. For Carl. For Carl. Isn't this just the most beautiful thing you ever saw? Oh. Don't need that anymore. Beautiful collector's edition. Oh yes. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see what's in there. USB ignition lock. Get it in focus. Yes. Oh, look at that. Got my keys to my tractor. Oh yes. Nice keychain to go along with it. Cable for the ignition lock. And probably lots of codes, so wait for that. So yes, the main event. Oh, look at this ignition. What a beauty. Yes. What do we get? Farming Simulator 16-bit edition. Loads of stickers. Lots and lots of stickers. Oh. Maps, posters, production chains, and the main event. Yes. The ignition key. First, found an extra keychain. Let's put that on. Set up. I'm going to be starting my heavy machines. Oh yes. There we go. Now we got some matching keyring to go with it. Put it in. One. Oh yes, so good. Can't wait. But I think the most interesting part of this is this little contraption here. A little screw hole here. I might be able to do something with it. It's connected through a USB cable, not USB-C, but hey ho. But it's actually quite heavy. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that. It actually looks quite great on my setup, but I'm gonna have to do some improvements. Get those keys in there. Oh, doesn't that just look great?